Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Roblox how to make a game pass. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To make a game pass in Roblox, first what you need to do is you need a Roblox game published under your account, then a developer account. Any Roblox user can make game passes and premium membership to earn Robux from sales. Now in order to create a game pass, simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in roblox.com. Now once you're inside the homepage of the Roblox, all you gotta do is simply tap on the create tab on the top of your screen. Then once you're inside your create tab, all you gotta do is log into your account if needed. Then once there, all you gotta do is from the left panel, click creations, then experiences, then simply find your game and click the three dots next to it and select open in create or associated item. Then next in the left menu, click monetization and then passes, then simply click create a pass and then upload an image or icon. Any JPEG or PNG will be available, and enter a name and description, then click create pass. Then once done, click on new game pass and under the sales tab toggle item for sale on and then enter a Robux price, example 50, and then click on save changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.